Hi, I'm Jeff Moore, a teacher and linguist in Tokyo. I want to teach you about the sounds of English. In the last lesson, I explained the English sound, like in sister, certain, earth, earn. We'll use this sound today, so if you didn't watch lesson 5, please go watch it now. Today, we'll learn a lot of sounds, but don't worry, these sounds are mostly easy for Japanese speakers. First, let's talk about rhythm. In Japanese, we usually think that every hiragana gets one beat. Ka, I, nu, shi. Da, ta, English has a different system of rhythm. Some vowels combine together. We don't count the sound as a separate beat. It joins the beat before. So in English, kai, nu, shi, down, town. This is one reason that English sounds a little funny to Japanese people. Our rhythm is long, short, short, long, short, short, long, short. But which sounds can combine? Kai makes one. Down makes one. But koa don't combine in koara, right? Gua don't combine in guai. Can you see the pattern? Think about how your mouth moves. Remember, this is for English, not Japanese. Did you guess? I and ao move up. Your jaw is closing when you say them. In English, the rhythm matches your jaw. Once, open once, close once. That's one beat. Here are 4 double vowels, also called diphthongs. Our jaw closes when we say them, so they get one beat. Let's try them from left to right. A is spelled with AY, A consonant, xing, E, AI, or sometimes EI. Like say, make, wait, wait. Those have the same sound. I is spelled with IE, Y, or IGH. Like, dry, high. Ow is spelled with OU or OW. Loud, wow. O is spelled with OE, OA, or OW. Hope, soap, low. Rhotic diphthongs are another kind of double vowel. They end with an sound. We always count them as one vowel, not 2. Let's review how we make the sound. One way is called bunched. Leave your tongue tip low and pull the middle of your tongue up and back. Another way is called retroflex. The tip of your tongue goes up and the whole tongue goes back. The spelling is pretty easy. They usually use the normal spelling for the vowel plus R. Watch out for WAR. This always says or, war. Fear, air, start, store, lure, award. Let's practice some phrases. You can say whatever you want as long as you pay me. You can say whatever you want as long as you pay me. Don't leave me high and dry. Don't leave me high and dry. Wow, what a loud sound! Wow, what a loud sound! How low can you go? How low can you go? We're here. We're here. It's not fair. It's not fair. The key part is just to start. The key part is just to start. What is war good for? What is war good for? Are you sure it's pure? Are you sure it's pure? In my accent, I don't say "ur," I say "er." So one more time with a West Coast accent. Are you sure it's pure? Are you sure it's pure? You can use this sound if you want to. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. In the next lesson, we'll do a quick overview of everything we've talked about so far. Thank you. Bye-bye.